Total Service Air Conditioning and Heating LLC HVAC systems in Orlando can be vastly different from building to building. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Total Service Air Conditioning and Heating LLC's core strengths, and we're proficient with both commercial and residential settings. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand your particular HVAC needs and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For Orlando HVAC installations and repairs, call Total Service Air Conditioning and Heating LLC at 407-617-3510. For more information, please visit our website, www.totalserviceach.com, or contact us through phone, 407-617-3510. You can visit our office, 2809 Pine Avenue, Apopka, Orlando, Florida, 32703. USA. Total Service Air Conditioning and Heating LLC.